Our disconnection from the natural world is growing. Separated from nature, we've drifted away from our deep bonds to the natural world. Our dissonance shapes our ideologies, influencing how we live, interact, and adapt to our environments. We've designed our world to impose these separations. Our systems have shifted our connection to the earth. This is our story. Our adaptation away from nature has consequences. Events like forest fire succession and the degradation of vital carbon sinks. Nature is speaking to us through our elements. We've pushed our planetary boundaries into increasingly unsafe conditions. We've built systems that dominate the Earth. But can we evolve to embrace reciprocity with the natural world? Will we honor the wisdom of the original stewards of this land by removing barriers to access and restoration, helping our ecosystems work in harmony with us?